Let's stay with court matters. An IEC official who's been charged with contravention of the Electoral Act is today expected to appear in the Pietermaritzburg Magistrates Court. Musawenkosi Mnikathi, that's an IEC area manager in uMsunduzi. During the May elections, he's accused of moving voting materials without police escort as required. The case was opened by the MK party. Mlondi Radabe is our reporter on that story and joins us now live once again. And Mlondi, the previous appearance saw a great showing from the MK party supporters. Of course, they're using this particular case in some ways to justify in the public discourse that the elections were rigged. How do we anticipate proceedings will unfold today?
Thank you very much. And the members of the uMsunduzi party, they are also in court today. You'd remember that last week they marched in the streets of Pietermaritzburg voicing out their issues when it comes to the IEC, saying that the results were rigged. Also, there were some irregularities that happened during the election. But today, there's a challenge in the Pietermaritzburg Magistrates Court. Not even one court have started working because there's they don't have electricity in the courtrooms. I'll just step out of the shot so that Nomhlengubane can just show you that all the people, basically the members of the public, they are waiting outside. Also the legal representatives in this court, they're just waiting outside, waiting to be called inside because the doors at the court to enter the courtroom, basically the court are locked because there's no electricity, and also they are trying to resolve the issue when it comes to the electricity for now, but they are not even sure what is the fault in the Pietermaritzburg CBD, because as we were driving to the CBD, also the street lights and also the robots are not working at the CBD, but we're still waiting to find out from the court management what is the challenge that is causing these delays, because everyone is waiting patiently outside the courtroom. They said at around 10 they'll be able to brief everyone who is outside the courtroom on the developments in relation to that electricity. But going back to the case, today we are expecting that Musawenkosi go to the courtroom, and then the trial will expected to start, because last week the state said they are ready to start the prosecution because all the investigation have been completed. Also the docket will be furnished to the defense attorney so that he can go through the docket and be able to prepare for the trial. Back to you in studio, Ayanda, for now.
All right, Mlondi Radabe, thanks very much indeed. We'll see how proceedings unfold there. Mlondi Radabe is part of our team just outside the Pietermaritzburg Magistrates Court, where that case is likely to unfold.